In today's tutorial, we'll cover how to review and approve or request changes on a treatment design case. When SoftSmile completes the design, you'll get an email notification that the case is ready for review. Log into the portal, find the case in Doctor Review Status, and select it. Once it loads, go to Review Case. In this tutorial we'll focus on the Vision Viewer. A new browser window opens, showing attachments, elastics, pontics, bite ramps, translation blocks, and the number of aligners for the upper and lower arches. You can immediately view IPR values at each contact, and see any attachments placed in the case. Scrolling through the stages shows attachments at different points in treatment. On the right, the timeline knob displays the number of upper and lower aligners. Click Original to see the starting arch positions, and Final to see the end positions. Click the play button to watch a video simulation of each stage. Each stage scrolls along the timeline knob. You can navigate individual stages forward or backward. Hover your mouse over the timeline knob and use the wheel to scroll through stages quickly, without pressing buttons individually. You can isolate the arches for an occlusal view and see each stage from above. At the top, a menu lets you isolate patient information. Click TP for the treatment plan to open the PDF. The first page shows attachments, elastics, ramps, and IPR values at each contact. Scrolling down reveals model analysis, such as Bolton analysis, with tooth movement tables for upper and lower arches. Below that, the staging section shows which teeth move at each stage and with what maximum speed. The next page shows the occlusal histogram, highlighting heavy contacts on the occlusal surfaces of either arch. Scrolling further, you can view the final position from the left, front, and right sides. If a CBCT is included, you can also see a rendering of the roots. Patient photos can be displayed in the viewport. Select an image and adjust translucency with the slider. You can move the model to align with the photo. Exit the image when done. The tuning table shows tooth movements at each stage, including movement type and reference point. You can switch the reference point to center of crown or incisal edge, and see updated values as teeth move. Upper and lower arches can be visualized with a grid to check intrusion, extrusion, or leveling. The grid can be set to 1 mm or 5 mm, or turned off. Overlay options display the original position of the teeth. At aligner 0, teeth appear in blue. Moving to aligner 1, teeth shift, and a white overlay shows the final position compared to the original. Attachment visualization can be toggled on or off. The same applies to right ramps, elastics, pontics, and IPR values. Contacts are shown via the occlusal distance map, updating as you scroll through stages for upper and lower arches. Gum tissue can be activated or deactivated for better visualization. This works in occlusal or front view. CBCT renderings can also be visualized alongside the treatment plan. Click Modify to request changes. Enter instructions, then click Send. The case moves back to the setup stage, where designers review and implement your changes. To approve the case as is, click Approve. It moves forward to post-processing or production. Previous change requests can be reviewed under Notes. This is how you review, approve, or request changes on a treatment design case. Thank you for watching.